Are you tired of working your fingers to the bone? Desperately and about to give up? Well, I'm going to show you how Faceless YouTube channel could change everything in your life. This channel is making $30,000 a month by posting automated short videos using ChatGPT and Canva. Based on the data from Social Blade, they could be making hundreds of thousands on sponsorships and more. Basically, this could be you with an internet connection, a laptop in 10 minutes. We'll be harnessing the power of ChatGPT and Canva to create a money-making machine that will have you swimming in passive income.
Wow!
So grab your virtual aprons and let's get cooking. In this video, I'm going to show you how to bulk create YouTube shorts using ChatGPT, Canva, and Google Sheets. If you haven't subscribed, hit that subscribe button now. Let's get straight into it. Firstly, open up ChatGPT and let's get some content. What I'm going to do is ask it to create a list of 30 facts about the world. Put it in a table with 2 columns. In the first column, put the number order of the fact, for example, fact 1, fact 2, fact 3, and so on. In the second column, put the actual fact and press enter. As you can see, it's creating a column 1 and column 2. You'll see why it's important to create a table. So once done, copy and paste this into Google Sheets. If you encounter that ChatGPT stop generating, just simply ask ChatGPT to continue writing if you intend to continue. Highlight both columns, then head over to Google Sheets document. Right-click and paste it. As you can see, the 2 columns are pasted in a Google spreadsheet. I'll just click on the title and rename this document. Save it as a CSV file. We need to save it in this format so that we can input it into Canva. So head over to Canva now. We're going to create a YouTube short, so I'll just search for YouTube short template and choose one of the standard templates, or either choose any design you want. We're going to customize it anyway. So once that loads, delete the extra pages. We just need 1 page, and then we're going to bulk on the facts that I created earlier. Select this text now and change the video, so click and delete the video, go to Elements and add in a video you want. I have of the world spinning. Click and drag that onto the page. Just reposition it slightly. Do that by double-clicking and then dragging it across just to get the framing correct. So we've got some animated arrows at the bottom, and then we've got an outline of a mountain. Get rid of the mountain. Well, keep the arrows. Text looks okay. It could be slightly more readable. You can choose at your best choice then. On the left side of your screen, click on Bulk Create. Upload my CSV file. And it'll pick up 2 data fields. So what we need to do is assign them to a different elements. Since there's 2 elements, we need 2 text boxes, so copy and paste this and create 2 text boxes on the page. Make it slightly smaller because this is going to be for the fact number and this one's going to be for the main fact. So we can shrink it because some of the facts are several sentences long. So make an adjustment, adjust the text slightly smaller and push it higher up, just to give it more space. When it does generate the actual text, move the arrows at the bottom. Now attach the text to it. So right-click on it, then click Connect Data and connect it. I can delete it here once the pages are created. And there you have it, 28 individual pages created with the 28 facts. If I scrub along the timeline, you can see the text comes in. If you wanted to make one of the clips longer, you can click and drag it. It's animated. Let me see. I've got fact 1, 2, and 3, all fitted and nicely done. If you found this video helpful, please like it and subscribe for more helpful content like this in the future. Thanks again for watching. See you soon.